In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable multiple Google Chrome processes on Windows. If you've noticed that your computer runs slowly or seems bogged down by Chrome, this could be due to Chrome running multiple background processes. Don't worry, we have a straightforward solution that will help you streamline Chrome's performance and potentially boost your system's efficiency. First, begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window where you'll notice three vertical dots. This is known as the Chrome menu button, a gateway to a variety of browser settings and options. Click on these three dots. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options. From this menu, you'll want to choose Settings. This section houses all the configurations you can tweak to suit your browsing preferences and optimize Chrome's functioning. Upon clicking Settings, you'll be taken to a new tab that displays Chrome's settings interface. This interface may seem complex at first, but don't worry, just focus on the task at hand. Within this interface, you'll need to look towards the left-hand menu and locate the section labeled System. Go ahead and click on it. This section governs Chrome's performance-related settings. Once you're in the System tab, look for an option that reads, Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This setting, when enabled, allows Chrome to keep certain processes active even when the browser is not open, consuming valuable system resources. To prevent this from happening and to make sure Chrome shuts down completely when you close it, simply toggle this option off. You'll notice the toggle button switch from blue to gray, indicating that the background processes are no longer active when Chrome is shut. It's important to mention a caveat here. Disabling background processes might affect some extensions and apps that rely on this feature to send you notifications or stay updated. If you notice anything not working as it used to, you might have to reconsider your decision or explore other solutions that suit your needs better. By completing these steps, you're ensuring that Chrome releases all of your system's resources once closed, which should enhance the overall performance of your computer. This subtle tweak is especially beneficial if you run multiple apps or programs simultaneously. Congratulations, you've now learned how to limit the background processes of Google Chrome on Windows effectively. Feel free to explore other settings and customize your browser to further optimize your online experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Chrome browsing experience.